you have an assembly in mind that will be totally coming from scratch and doesn't know where to start? Here's the perfect course for you. Hi, my name is Jomarc. I'm a Fusion 360 certified user, Autodesk certified instructor, and the training manager for MechaniWeb, an Autodesk authorized academic partner. In this Fusion 360 course, we will build a dynamic assembly from the ground up. Some of the key topics you will learn from this course are creating a skeleton sketch, multi-body part modeling, turning bodies into components, applying assembly joints, and animating an assembly model. By the end of this course, you will definitely have a new technique in creating assemblies coming from sketches and multiple bodies. Open up Fusion 360 and let's get this body started.